Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Oura Ring 4. So for this example, I'm going to be going on my iOS device where first let's go into the App Store and then you're going to search up the app that looks like this. It's called Aura. So go ahead and download it. Once it's finished downloading, go ahead and open it up and it's going to look like this. So on this page here, you're going to go ahead and click on Start once you have your Oura Ring. And so you're going to enter your email here, which I'm going to go ahead and blur out. And then just confirm that this is your email. Click on Continue. So now with this email, click on Continue again. And then you just need to agree to their terms and services and policies. Click on Save and Continue. Now at this point, you need to go ahead and connect your Oura Ring to the charger and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. So go ahead and scroll down on your iOS device, turn on Bluetooth. And now we're going to go ahead and open up the Oura Ring 4. So with the Oura Ring 4, this is what the charging platform actually looks like. It does use a Type-C cable. So any Type-C cable will work. You don't have to use the one that's included with the Oura Ring box. So I already have a Type-C cable ready over here. So go ahead and plug it in towards the back. And once it's plugged in, you should see the light turn on. So now if we go ahead and go back to our phone, you'll see that the light is on. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Setup Ring. And we're going to go ahead and click on Allow. And you should see the Oura Ring automatically populate on your screen here. So here we have our Oura Ring 4, gold, size 4. So click on it, and then it's going to go ahead and load. Click on Pair. Now you need to send the setup email to the email that you've sent up here. So click on Send Setup Email. And now go ahead and go into your email. So the email should look something like continue your Oura Ring and membership account setup. So click on Setup Account, or you can click on the sign up link down below and it should open up a web browser page. Click on Accept All. So here, confirm and double check that this is the email that you want to go ahead and use with your Oura Ring. So click on Get Started. Then you're just going to enter the on-screen prompts as far as your billing information goes and your home address goes. Now on the next screen, you need to start your free trial. So in order to use your Oura Ring and get the full potential of it, there is a subscription, but they do offer a free trial for you. So whether you decide an annual membership or a monthly membership, just make sure to cancel beforehand if you do decide that the Oura Ring is not for you. But for this example, we're just going to go ahead and sign up for the monthly membership, which is $5.99 a month. Annual membership being $70 a year. So click on Next. Now you need to select your payment method. So it's going to ask for a credit card, PayPal, or HSA/FSA. So we're just going to enter our credit card information. So after you enter your payment information, just click on Return to Oura App and go ahead and open it up. Then click on Continue. Now you can enable Face ID in order to log into the Oura app. For now, we're just going to click on Enable. Now the next on-screen prompt is that Oura is going to ask you to sync your data. So click on Begin. And now it's going to go ahead and start connecting. You do need to update the firmware. So click on Update Firmware. Click on Update Now. And this should only take less than a minute in order to actually go ahead and update the Oura Ring. Now, after the firmware has been updated, make sure to place or keep your Oura Ring on the charger and that your phone is nearby your Oura Ring as well. Next, it's going to ask you for your country of residence. So we're just going to select the United States, click on Done. Now it's going to ask you for what units you want your information in. So whether it's imperial or metric, then your date of birth, just go ahead and enter your date of birth. And then on this page, it's going to ask you to connect to Health. So Health is the Apple innate app where it tracks like your steps and calories burned. I like to connect it to Health. So click on Connect. And then I normally like to set this to turn on all, just so that it syncs with both your Apple device and your Apple Watch and such. Now, as far as notifications go, you can allow it or disallow it. We're going to go ahead and allow the notifications. And then for tailored invitations to health studies, I personally am not going to go ahead and opt into that. Then click on Continue. Now for our focus areas, we're going to go ahead and select which one apply to us. So now basically just follow the on-screen prompts to the best of your ability as far as filling out all these questions go. So on this page here or on this screen, it's going to ask you to now try on your ring. So you're going to go ahead and grab your ring, and basically for comfort and accuracy, you're going to wear it like this. So go ahead and put on your ring. So wear your ring with the dimple and sensors on the palm. So make sure that the dimples is on the palm side of your finger. So hold your hand up where the dimples are on the ring. Is it on your finger?
Yeah.
Okay. So click on Check Signal next.
There, right? That's what you mean, the dimple?
Yeah. So now you and your ring are now in sync. Click on Continue. So you're all set. And just remember that the free trial that you've signed up for lasts for about 3 days. Click on Start Your Journey. And now that's pretty much it as far as setting up your Oura Ring goes. Hope you found this video helpful, guys. And let me know if you have any questions down below.